So here I am at Saltwater State Park in Des Moines, Washington. It is now time to eat. And for tonight, we're gonna chef it up with something easy and fun. One pot, we're gonna use my Jetboil system. We're gonna do some chicken fajitas. I'm hungry. Are you? Tonight's fajitas, it really started last night for me. That's when I made up the marinade for the chicken. I took some lime, some olive oil, some garlic powder, salt, pepper, some cumin, and some chili powder. And I mixed it all together and I marinated the chicken overnight in that. Use a little bit of that marinade today when we get ready to cook it, but that's the deal. You want to get as much of this done and prepped at home before you actually get out here, and that makes the cooking a little bit easier. The other thing that I did while I was at home is I chopped up some onions and some peppers to get that ready as well. I have a tortilla that I'll use and I'll heat up afterwards. And I think that that's all I really need. We'll add a few spices in to the vegetables once they start cooking. But I am so hungry. Let's get started. Once the skillet is hot, we're gonna add in a little oil, get that hot, and then we'll add in our chicken. The skillet is hot, it's now time to add the chicken. So I put a lid on the skillet just to intensify the heat. The chicken is almost done. We're gonna pull it here in a bit, and then we're gonna add in our vegetables and start cooking those till they get soft. vegetables are in and they are cooking. I added a little salt, a little pepper, a little paprika, a little cayenne pepper, a little garlic powder, and a little minced garlic, just to add to the flavor of these vegetables. So same drill here. I put the top on to intensify the heat. We are going to cook those down till they're nice and soft. Then we'll take those out and then we'll warm up the tortillas. And then that's basically it. We just have to finish it up and make it all tasty. So we're pulling the vegetables. They look done. I think everything is basically finished. We are going to warm up some tortillas. I'm making 2 fajitas here. I've got some guacamole that I made, again, at home, doing a mise en place there. And then I've got some fresh tomatoes and some sour cream. It's time to eat. And voila, there you have it, chicken fajitas. I have a mini Diet Coke that I'm gonna have with this. Again, this is really easy to do because you do a lot of the prep at home. Let's taste it and see how it is. Mmm. Absolutely delicious. So easy to do and so flavorful. Something great to have on a first night of a camp. Just one pan, throw it all in and enjoy. Hey, that's gonna do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And then of course you can follow me on my website at rvjedeye.com. Get out there, enjoy, chef it up like this. There is no need to eat poorly on the road. That's my motto, and this is a good example of it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.